Walgreens and we just happened to see this dog in the front seat of the car. So funny. Day number 3.
Pies y piernas adentro.
What did I say, pigment? No, I did not mean to say pigment.
So, but the chocolate flan and the chocolate flan.
Mexico? Yeah, I'll take it.
No.
Let's see what we can get at the painted panda.
Are you there? See, that's self-stamping.
Germany.
Good.
Would you rather be Japan or China? Oh, I know. No line. England. Thanks, babe.
Seriously, this is your one.
From the fresh pools of England. Canada.
Oops, sorry.
Of Canada. We'll see how this goes. Stats. Car. We're ready to go. We are in day 4 of our trip. We are heading out to Animal Kingdom today. We're gonna leave early because we gotta go to work tomorrow. I love how it says no stopping. And almost everyone has stopped.
Right-hand side, the doors was critically into the group. They're not in the air. Can also jump over that bird because they spend that whole day eating successful predators. But the one, my guess, and I don't know for sure, but to see the final line facing opposite direction to protect themselves. There's male ostrich. They have 6 times better night vision.
Excuse me. Salmon prone to water.
I get one.
For you, Miss Bell.
Thank you.
Alrighty, thank you.
Thank you. Last time in Disney? Probably not. The reason why we have decided to not go back to Disney is because one, my husband's annual pass holder card is expiring very soon. Mine still can go for a little bit longer. We are trying to save our money, be wise with our money. We will for sure want to be back because Star Wars is coming up soon. So we're gonna want to see that eventually. We still love Disney, but because they are expiring, we're not going to renew our passes for a long time. Just because, again, we need to be wise with our money. Are we sad about it? Yes, but it will lead on to new adventures, new things that we get to save for. Hope you guys enjoyed our vlog of Disney, and see you guys later.